Yo, welcome everybody guys back to another next part of the show, and we're now in the exercise number 2 on page number 42. Let's do this quick because it is still an easy exercise. So find these sentences in the text which has the same meaning as these pairs of sentences. So first we have tigers are close to extinction. This is beyond doubt. Okay, so let's find it in the text above. So you can clearly see at the beginning, it is beyond doubt that tigers are close to extinction. Underline that, mark that as number 1. Sentence number 2, tiger populations have fallen dramatically in recent years. Dot. Nobody denies this. Period. Okay, so let's find that from the text. Okay, population fallen dramatically. Okay, right over there, the third sentence, nobody denies that tiger populations have fallen dramatically in recent years. Underline that, mark as number 2. Sentence number 3, there were once more than 50,000 tigers in India alone. Dot. This indicates how dramatically their numbers have fallen. Dot. Okay, so next we have the fact. Underline the part, the fact that there were once more than 50,000 tigers in India alone indicates how dramatically their numbers have fallen. So that is the sentence for number 3. Now let's go to the number 4. Number 4, the tiger's natural habitat is being destroyed. Dot. This is one of the biggest problems. Dot. Okay, so this is one of the biggest problems. Okay, so the sentence followed the previous one. One of the biggest, underline that, one of the biggest problems is that the tiger's natural habitat is being destroyed. Okay, so after underlining all of those sentences, you can see that the sentences in the exercise number 2 are sliced into half. But the sentences in the text are combined as one. So let's see what is our grammar point here tonight. It is about nominal clauses. So what is it about? Okay, and for convenience, I have written all of the sentences right over there so you can see and check after the show. Okay, so nominal clauses with that. Nominal clauses can start with the word that. They function as the noun in a sentence. So, example, you can see, I forgot that you were coming for dinner. I forgot that you were coming for dinner. Or you can say, the main problem is that I cannot drive. So, that in the 2 sentences given function as a noun. Okay? So, it is okay, just the same as the sentences I have written down before. It is beyond doubt that tigers are close to extinction. So that right over there is also function as a noun. That tiger populations have fallen dramatically in recent years. So also that as a noun. So you can see some more examples in the text. In very formal written English, it is possible to start the sentence with a nominal clause beginning with that. Okay, so just in a very formal way. In a very formal way, written in English, you can say that she left school at 16 is surprising. That she left school at 16 is surprising. Or you can write later. I'll check that later. So formal written English. We don't need to be formal right now because you can see how complicated it is, because that she left school at 16 is surprising. So, or you can say the sentences after this part. However, in spoken or less formal written English, we would often rephrase this to begin with the fact that, or it is, or it seems, or it feels, or it appears, some more words. So instead of saying in a formal way like that she left school at 16 is surprising. Instead of saying that, you can say the fact that she left school at 16 is surprising. Or you can say it is surprising that she left school at 16, or it seems surprising. It feels it appears surprising. Okay, it feels it is still okay. So the fact that she left school at 16 is surprising, and I have no idea why Oxford doubled the word left. The fact that she left school, I don't know, because this may be the first version of a book. Maybe it still have some problems about typing, so I forgive you about that, Oxford. Everyone makes mistakes, so never mind. So we have finished the learn this box. Now we will move on to the exercise number 4 on page number 42. Let's do this quick because it is tonight it is super duper easy. Okay, super duper easy. Rewrite the pairs of the sentences as single sentences. So sentences given in the exercise number 4, it is double. Okay, 2. All you need to do is to make it only 1. So rewrite these pairs of sentences as single sentences. Begin with it or the fact that. Include a nominal clause beginning with that. Okay, so they gave us as an example, thousands of tigers were killed by hunters during the 20th century. This is a tragedy. Okay, so rewrite that into one sentence only. Rewrite that into the fact that thousands of tigers were killed by hunters in the 20th century is a tragedy. So easy, right? So be easy. No need to be complicated. So number 1, tigers are a protected species. This is not a guarantee of their safety. So make that into only one sentence. It will be tigers. Let me swallow. Okay. You can write it into the form of the fact that, or it is, or it feels, or it appears, something else. But I'll write that this sentence is into the fact that. Okay. The fact that tigers are a protected species is not a guarantee of their safety. Okay, so that is quick, right? Super quick. So all you need to do is to write it down. The fact that tigers are a protected species is not a guarantee of their safety. Okay. Number two, what do we have? Tiger bones are still used in traditional Chinese medicine. This is the main problem. So make it into one. Maybe this sentence I will use with the word it. So it is the main problem that tiger bones are still used in traditional Chinese medicine. So it is the main problem. You can write like that. It is the main problem. It is the main problem that tiger bones are still used in traditional Chinese medicine. Okay, so I have done 2 sentences for you already. All you need to do in this break, during the break, please finish sentences 3 and 4 and read through the exercise number 5 and also the exercise number 6. Okay, I'll be back soon after this break. Don't go anywhere. We're just gonna be back.